Oh man, I just moved here. Um, here, I don't know where we are. I think we're somewhere in Minnesota. I don't know. A beautiful house. Yeah, I got some farms over there, but I have 143 million. I think I'm gonna go buy a truck. So I'm kind of truckless. I used the U-Haul to get here. So I kind of need to run to the dealership, get me a truck, because I can't be walking everywhere. Um, well, since, since I've just moved here, I don't know anybody here. I don't know these people. I don't know a guy driving. It's a pretty small town of Minnesota, you know. Um, I got a bunch of money a from working all the time. I was a really good farmer, so I got a bunch of money. But now since I don't have the farmland and I'm done farming for the rest of my life, I'll be um just buying stuff and minding my own business. Dealership is right here. I'm just cutting across this land here. Um, let's see. How do I get in here? Can I jump over? Yep. All right. Let's buy a truck. All right. Let's go to cars and bikes. Ooh, we got some good options here. What are we feeling? Let's see. 1999 Ram Dodge, whatever you want to call it. Let's see here. We need some good tires. At least he's nice. 5th gen. I'll do white logos. Have the mirrors down. We'll do custom headlights. Oops. A custom rear bumper. No, that looks bad. Just do stock bumper. We'll do visor. Oops, keep doing that. Short bed exhaust. I think that looks good. Let's see, LED rock lights. Cat front plate, no. Actually, yeah, no. Attachers will have a drop hitch. Keep it black. 15,000 down the drain. Look at that. Heard a bug. It's nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we gotta get home. Let's see here. A map. It's us. Our home is here. So we have to nice truck. But we do need something else. So I'll order here online. What do we got? Ooh, Kenworth Peterbilt. What are we feeling? Kenworth or Peterbilt? We'll do Ken. And this one. These wheels look weird, personally. LED light color, yellow, white, red. Bumper lights? No. Decals? Sure. Oversized sign? No. Fenders? Oh, no, that looks kind of bad. Full fenders? Only half fenders? I guess we'll do this one. Or visor here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Alright. 106,000. I have that much. I guess we could get ourselves a trailer too. Just to haul stuff there, you know. Back and forth of all the trucks that we're gonna buy and all the cars. Where do I keep the trailers? Marking spray. Is it up here? Did I miss it? Aha, low loaders. Let's see. Go this one. Yeah. How much? 61,000. Alright, we got a new truck. So Jeff to go Dodge. Alrighty, we've made it. Let's see this truck. I guess I could put the Dodge on the back of the trailer. Oh man, look at that. That's sweet. Okay. Back up here. Connect to the hitch. Guess we can open that. So we can put the Dodge up on the back. Guess we can put some straps on here. Let's see. There we go. Alright, we got the Kenworth all saddled up. Pull over here. guys here. Now go find a spot for the semi-trailer. As I said, I think we have yeah, over there some bombs. What is that? Got that. Let's check in here. Open the door. Oh. Nice and big. But anyways, if you guys kind of like this roleplay type video, I will do it again if you like and subscribe.